Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the GOODaaa power bank wireless charger. This thing has 7 different ways you can charge. 45,800 milliamps. I'm going to go through all the specifications, the different things you can use on this, including one little thing, a little power crank if you don't have sunlight. So stick around for all of the different factors that this thing has and how you might be able to use this and what I actually think about it at the very end. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Just a couple times around with a blade should get it to where we can take the plastic wrap off of it. Inside the box comes with a user guide. Make sure to read through that entire thing. Then you get the device itself. You get a carabiner and one USB-C to USB-C connector. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see how much battery we do have. It actually is full, which is great. If not, you do want to go ahead and charge this thing. And to be able to charge, you need to go ahead and open up the top that says USB and go ahead and plug in there. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and use the included cord. Go ahead and plug it into a brick and then come over here, and that is how you would charge it. And so you can see there was maybe just a little bit not fully charged, but we're going to go ahead and let that thing get fully charged, and then we'll be coming back out and showing you guys all of the functions of this. Okay, it is fully charged. We can go ahead and unplug it there. And we're going to do a couple of tests real quick. Some different things you can do is there is a few USBs at the top, so you can plug in there. But it also comes with an iPhone, a USB-C, USB, and then the other end to where you can actually plug this in as well. So if you didn't have your USB-C that it came with, you could actually plug that in and be able to charge the device. Another option is on this side, you can actually crank it, and the cranking action will actually give it juice to be able to be used. So that's kind of a cool feature, especially if you're off grid or something like that, or hiking or camping or something like that where you don't have power. Also, you can leave it out in the sun, and leaving this out in the sun will allow it to charge by solar, which is pretty cool as well. So if you're in a sunny place, that'll work really well. Then one other thing I forgot to mention, right here you have, if you have a phone that will allow you to charge wirelessly, you can just put your phone right on there. So let's go ahead and let's charge this drill of mine. This drill allows you to be able to charge with just a USB-C. So we'll go ahead and plug this guy in. And you can see right there it is charging it, which is great. So it works for so many different things. So if you don't want to charge that and you want to charge something like a speaker for my audio, it's charging it right there, which is great. And these cords just stick right in here. So overall, a pretty slick design. Also, if you need a compass, you have a compass built in as well. So if you want to go ahead and turn on the lights, go ahead and hit the side button here, and you'll turn on the lights. They're very bright. Then hit it again, and you kind of get that SOS feature. Then hit it one more time, and I'm going to put it away from the camera because it is strobe lights, just in case anybody is sensitive to that. Click it one more time, and it is off. I'm going to go ahead and take this thing on a trip with me and give you guys my final thoughts when I'm done.
I was able to take this charger on a multi-day trip, and it did exactly what it was supposed to. It kept all my devices fully charged and allowed me to be able to use them even when it was charging.
So just got back from my trip, got to be in an airport for a really long time in numerous plane flights, and this thing held up really good. This thing allowed me to be able to hook in and stay charged with all my devices. I was able to use the back of it to charge my phone when needed as well, so you could have other things going and charging your phone. I didn't have to use the crank, but I did check to see if the crank did work, and I did have success with that. It also has the lights if you need them, which is pretty cool. Overall, just a really great design and small package, and it doesn't weigh a ton for how many times I can recharge devices and phones and things like that. So overall, a really good option for the price point. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.